Hey guys, Rohan here from Dubai. Making this video for you guys just to talk about the basics of ClickFunnels. What is ClickFunnels? You'll come across this a lot more if you're into the internet marketing niche. And honestly, it's a product that's really hot right now. Russell Brunson has created this this software. You may or may not have heard of him, and this company honestly grew from zero to $300 million within the span of 3 years. It's crazy. Um, it's a software that's built for marketers, and it's built for people who it makes marketing easy for you. So there are various businesses right now that are brick and mortar businesses. Maybe they don't have any online presence, or maybe they just have some like basic websites or something like that. But we know that the world is changing right now, and a lot of things are being done online. Okay, and this software helps you set up an end-to-end process to control everything about your business. So freelancers, entrepreneurs, existing businesses, even if you want to do this, like for me, for example, I'm using Clickfunnels and promoting the software as an affiliate. Okay, so I can even build an affiliate marketing business just by using Clickfunnels. Okay, so I'll explain about how all of that works, um, and give you some important details, that you'd want to know if you're thinking of getting started. So basically, this video is very basic, and I'm doing this for people who are thinking about signing on to ClickFunnels or have just signed up onto ClickFunnels. Okay, and why I'm doing this is because these are some of the things that I wish I knew, um, when I started on ClickFunnels a couple of months ago. So the first thing is, now first of all, when you sign up onto ClickFunnels, okay, you get a 14-day free trial. Okay, so in the first 14 days you can do whatever you want, and you're not going to be charged for it. So what I suggest, if you sign up onto ClickFunnels, the first thing you should do is play this game, which is on your homepage. Okay, now this is a funnel a game that helps you build your first funnel. Okay, it walks you through the first 5 or 6 steps. It's a step-by-step process, and at the end of the process, not only have you learned how to build your first funnel, but you get a free t-shirt. Okay, it's the one that I'm wearing right now. There's a cool logo at the back as well. Super soft, super comfortable, and it's free. So I suggest you do that first thing. All right, and the second important tip that I want to give you is ClickFunnels gives you a free domain that's hosted in ClickFunnels itself. So I would suggest putting a little bit of thought into why would you want to use ClickFunnels, whether for your existing business or a new business, and think of a domain name around that so that you don't waste your opportunity of getting a really good free domain, like I did, because I stumbled onto ClickFunnels like at 2 o'clock in the morning on a weekday, and I did not think of any domain that I wanted to use. So I just ended up just using a domain that I could just think of at the top of my head, and right now that domain is not relevant to whatever I'm doing. So it's a complete waste. So I don't want you guys to make the same mistake. Put some thought to it. All right, and yeah, and use it when you sign up through your account settings and domains right over here. All right, so we have a few tabs up here. Okay, so you have ClickFunnels, which is everything you need to do with all your funnels, handle your contacts, sales, and building the actual funnels itself. Okay, then you have something called Actionetics. Okay, Actionetics is a feature that you get for a higher subscription price. And why it's important is because it's an email automated responder service that's built into ClickFunnels. Okay, I'll talk about that more in depth in another video, because I want to keep this video basic. Okay, also you get Actionetics and Backpack for the added value. Now, why is Backpack important is, let's take an example that you're a coach, for example, like a life coach, and you have all these kind of courses and digital products like PDFs and ebooks and stuff that you want to sell online, right? So what you can do is you can load all of that into Backpack, okay, and have your team of affiliates, okay, promote your products. Okay, so why that is important is that not only do you have your affiliates promoting the products, but you can control their commissions, everything right in ClickFunnels itself. So it makes it super simple. Okay, and honestly, you have all the details that you need. So that's what Backpack is used for. I mean, you can use it for any other business, but basically for people who have digital products and that they're selling online. Okay, and then you have your settings over here. Over here, the most important setting is the affiliates. This is where you get to view your affiliate dashboard. So I'm promoting ClickFunnels as an affiliate. Okay, so any person that I get to sign up to ClickFunnels through my link, I get 40% commission at the first tier, and second tier is if they promote and help someone sign up, I'll get 5%. Okay, so you can track all of those details over here. Okay, so let me walk you through a couple of funnels and let you see get a feel of it before talking about before ending the video basically. So you can, okay, through browse funnels you'll see the funnels that I have. You can build a funnel from scratch, or you have something called funnel marketplace where you can purchase ready-made high converting funnels, or I mean there are funnels there for free as well. So I'm just gonna through build funnel you have your cookbook process or create a new funnel. Cookbook process is going through the industry first and then moving forward. Classic funnel buildup is building the funnel from based on what goal you want to achieve and then working backwards. So a simple way to start is through the cookbook process. As soon as you go here, I would suggest getting your free copy of the cookbook, which is just downloading the PDF right into your computer. And then now you have various industries over here and the types of funnels that they have. Okay, so I mean the earlier example that I mentioned about you know a coach, a life coach or whatever. So you can select this industry. Okay, and then you have all the relevant funnel options over here. Okay, and you must have seen these like for example video sales letter funnel. I mean these are all the videos that you have promoting products whenever you browse your Facebook feed, all those videos. That's what this funnel is about pretty much. Okay, then you have a campaign funnel, a product launch funnel, you have a webinar funnel. I mean a lot of top entrepreneurs are selling courses through webinars, so you can set up a webinar and a membership through these funnels over here. Yeah, here you go, webinar funnel. So you just click the funnel, set it up, choose your theme, and just change the details in. It's very simple. You don't need to have a coding background. Like for example, I don't have a coding background. Okay, I don't have any kind of IT or computer background, and I found this software extremely simple to use. So I'm sure that you won't find it difficult as well. Okay, and let me show you some of the funnels that I have now. At the end of my video, I'll be talking about some bonuses that I'm giving out. Okay, and all these funnels are there as well. Okay, so I've built my own website through Clickfunnels. Okay, and okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, physical product sales funnel. Like if you're trying, you're in the e-commerce niche, you're looking to sell a product online. So you have your sales page, order form, you have a one-time offer and an order confirmation. Extremely simple. Okay. And I mean, I say for example, you're in the health and fitness niche and you're selling supplements, or you're selling like a pair of sunglasses over here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can come in here, change all your details, add all your integrations from your settings over here. I mean, it's super simple. This is exactly how you must have seen it from other websites. You just come in here, change all the details, and yeah, and launch it pretty much. Okay, you can have a pop-up window as well if you want, like limited time only and stuff like that. I mean we can get into the details later, but I mean I just want to show you how simple it is. All right, now I don't want this video to be very long, so I'm going to end the video over here. Okay, and you can always look out for my videos to follow for in-depth analysis of various funnels and stuff. But over here now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the link to the 14-day free trial for ClickFunnels down below. And if you use my link to sign up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you like $500 worth of bonuses for free. Okay, and they'll all be listed below. The most expensive item will be a Google AdWords campaign. that it's worth $300, but I'll be giving that out for free after you complete your 14-day trial, and that basically helps you get affiliates on demand. I've been finding a lot of success with that, so I'll be sharing that with you, along with my website, ways of contacting me, and on my website I'm giving away like about 25 funnels that you can download for free. You just need to click the link and it'll download into your account, and various other strategies about how you can use Clickfunnels to grow your business. And yeah, you also get a one-on-one call with me for free, to get started. So thanks for joining. See you guys in the next videos. Bye.